and be my love. And the precious fruit. Valleys, hills and fields, hills and sleepy mountain hills.
If all the world were loved and young, the truth in every shepherd's son. What doesn't make me good to live with thee and be my love?
Buenos tardes.
Y amigos y amigas,
En el representante, el encuentro. The seniors. Again, my last for my support is welcoming the previous Miss Book Lover 2007.
Mark, koy ako! Retrace ako!
Video!
before anything else, first year to fourth year, please sit down.
Mauna niya ang pinakabangsin ng ano ba, turnover.
According to John Mooney, readers understood in getting consumers that represent language and speech. Among all imitators or human beings, have learned to write and read. People have learned to put pressure into symbol, certain letters, and and understand.
Trix, mauna na pinakabangsin ka turnover ba?
Really up
We learned to read at home and in school. We became fluent readers through practicing home fluencies, support of schools and teachers, and wise personal choices.
Literacy
Adik, was Jackie
is
yun?
vital.
Adik.
Inconvenience. Literacy is vital to an individual's intellectual and emotional development who wants the ability to make positive contributions to society. Selecting the appropriate skills
and attitudes necessary for life and literacy, youngsters should have home and school experiences in the reading, reflecting on and discussing a wide variety of literacy genres. Guys, remember this. The more young people read and expand their interest in books of literacy worth, the likelier they are to achieve literacy.
To all the teachers, especially Miss Mitch. Miss Mitch, thank you for everything.